Starting today, do something, anything on a consistent basis to move forward your dreams. What do we ask you to do? 10 to 15 minutes each and every day, tracking the market and learning by doing. Practice trading. Let's jump into these charts. We see stocks are mixed. Bitcoin and bonds are down. Gold is up. Things pretty much moving in the right direction. Let's look at the banner week we have had on the S&P 500. We see things really taking off. Look at this weekly chart. Look at the volume higher than average as things are spiking down. Take a look at the 2-day chart well below this weekly trend line. 4 nice down candles. Now, it's not 8 days, it's 7 days because this is the first day of the latest 2-day candle. Things moving in the right direction. And of course, our half-day chart, you can see where things moved above and really ended back last Tuesday afternoon. And then starting on Wednesday the 18th, moving down, slid sideways a little bit there on Monday, Tuesday morning, and then piking over, going down for the rest of the week. Quite beautiful, moving in the right direction. Now, of course, we captured 1.83% with the first half of that trade. Then we let things reset. And then, of course, things popped back down again. What do we see with 20-year bonds? Didn't work out as well for us on that first part of the trade, but absolutely going in the right direction now. Did pull up a little bit for the day, 0.48%, but overall, high volume on a down week. Beautiful 2-day chart. Looks a lot like the S&P. And again, things moving in the right direction as we end the week on a down move in the market. Let's look at 20-year bonds. What do they show us? Well, down again today. What we've really seen happening, we talked about this, we came up on, let's see, that's Tuesday afternoon, the 24th. Things popped back down on Wednesday and then trying to pop up on Thursday afternoon, but sort of ruling that out on Friday. So we have this trade continuing. Do have high volume. We will keep an eye on things, but all things being equal, as we like to say, things move in the direction of the largest chart, which is the weekly chart, which is down, which is happening. Let's move on to gold. Gold again moving up. We saw the high last week was $185.23. This week, $186.36. So we peaked out a little higher this week. That happened this afternoon. You can see it right there at the bottom of the screen on the half-day chart. 2-day consistently moving up. Things are just beautiful in this up move in gold. Again, collected another 1.16% today. Moving in the right direction. Lastly, we take a look at Bitcoin. Pulling back again. Yesterday, a little bit of a pullback. Today, a little bit of a pullback after really slamming up. You see that big move on Tuesday morning and then continued to percolate up a little bit even on Wednesday, and then Thursday and Friday down some. We'll see where Bitcoin leads us this next week, but look at all that volume for the week. That is where we are, folks, as we end the week. I'll be uploading for everyone. Uploaded earlier in the week, charting cryptos, commodities, and currencies. I'll be uploading that video for everyone here in just a minute. Always check that out on the weekends. Patreon members, appreciate all your support each and every week underwriting the costs of the channel. If you're not a Patreon member, want to support what we do, check us out, Charting Wealth. You'll find us at Patreon. You'll find links there in the show notes. First thing you get when you join is our Charting Wealth special training on options. Option Made Simple, the Charting Wealth Way, a 3-part series. You will love it. That's it, folks. God bless. All the best from the whole team at Charting Wealth World Headquarters.